we've made it to day 10 of the Fly Lady baby steps, uh, building blocks to making up your cleaning routine and also your getting your life back in order. And let's recap what we have done so far. We have been shining a sink, preferably at night. We've been getting rid of taking 2 minutes on a timer to get rid of all those hot spots at our house. We learned how to build the control channel. We've been getting dressed to shoes. We've left a few sticky notes as reminders for us, if not for the family. And today on day 10, we'll be doing something called a room rescue. Room rescue is something just like your decluttering. Basically, what makes the Fly Lady system really work are the 31 baby steps, because we are going step by step. Another thing is that one of the most important things I found out is that if you do not declutter, means you don't get rid of all the excesses, all the things you have accumulated, you will never be able to keep your house in order. So you can call it minimalizing, you can call it Marie Kondo method of decluttering, whatever you go by. Basically, all of them are saying to minimalize, to reduce stuff. You don't need all those stuff. You don't need 3 can openers. You don't need 5 staplers. You don't need 6 scissors. You just need 1 or maybe 2, depending on your household. So get rid of all those extras. You don't need 10 pair of shoes. I mean, even if you are a fashionista, probably you will understand that much better than me, because you keep accumulating stuff, handbags, purses, shoes, belts, ties, perfumes. So reduce. So our aim is to reduce. So this we are talking about now, reduction on a different level. We are going to find out the worst room in our house. So I have many worst rooms in my house because I had never done decluttering. There were many excuses. I was bedridden for probably 3-4 years. Health issues. I had no proper guidance. So I don't want you to get into the same situation as I have gotten myself into. And probably you are much better off than me, so it would be much easier for you. For me, it's taking a while. So I have finally understood this, that I cannot clean my house and make it picture perfect like those other people on in the magazines and even in YouTube videos you see, unless I first get my life in order. I reduce my clutter. So that's what we are going to do. Take the worst room in your house. It could be your laundry room, it could be your kids' bedroom, the one room where you have designated it as like a junk room and have dumped stuff in, and then declutter. Declutter means put 5 minutes on your timer, because if you see all that is going to get you into a frenzy. So you just put 5 minutes on your timer, take the things, and then again, I just have these things that I'm going to give these away. I'm going to throw them in the trash, and immediately I just throw it in the trash. And some you can recycle. So and then put them away in the other places. Like suppose I'll show you the thing at the back here. This is my worst area. So because it's an open area on the top, it always is a place where things fall into. So I have decluttered, I have put things here. See, can you see that pile? That's the pile I'm going to give away. I have cleared off and arranged it to the best I can. And also I have a pile which I can fold and put away now. So I have now basically 3 piles going on. I've already thrown some away. That's my trash pile. And so that's what you will do. You will go to any room, put 5 minutes for yourself, 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, and switch on the timer. Just do that for 5 minutes and stop. Once you stop, now you handle your piles. So you had that trash pile, you go and put it in the trash. We have a place outside in the corridor where all the trash can be put. They'll take it the next day, so I put it there. Even my recycling items, I put it there because the ladies who work in the building, they take those items. Some I'm thinking of giving it in the local church. They might give it to somebody who really needs those stuff. So that's, and some I had to put them away. They did not even belong here. They were like pencils and books and mixed in clothes. So go ahead and do that for today, and don't forget to add that into your control journal which we made yesterday. So let's move on to the Hindi version. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज फ्लाई लेडी का हमारा 9वां दिन है. तो आज हम एक रूम लेने वाले हैं और उसको 5 मिनट, सिर्फ अपने टाइमर पे 5 मिनट लगाना है. और 5 मिनट में जो भी आप सफाई कर सकते हो करना है. और ये कौन सा रूम है, आप जब स्टार्ट करो तो ऐसा सबसे आपका जो बहुत गंदा रूम है वो लीजिए, जबकि जो रूम आप किसी को नहीं ले जा सकते हो वैसा रूम लीजिए. मेरा ये एरिया सबसे गंदा वाला है. और फिर मेरा किचन के पास एक लॉन्ड्री रूम है, वो वहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे सामान है, लाइक बहुत ही सारा. तो मैंने 3-4 दिन पहले वो इतना सारा सामान फेंक दिया, बहुत सारा सामान दे दिया. और अभी थोड़ा प्रेजेंटेबल है और काम है वहाँ पे. तो आप ऐसा वो रूम लीजिए और सब कुछ एक दिन मत कीजिए, सिर्फ 5 मिनट का टाइमर लगाना है. 5 मिनट में आप या फिर वो चीज़ फेंकोगे या फिर किसी को दे दोगे, या फिर वो जाके अपने सही स्थान पे आप उसको रखोगे. जैसे कि मेरे इस टॉप पे पेंसिल्स एंड बुक्स थे, वहाँ पे नहीं रहना था उसको, तो मैंने जाके बच्चों के कमरों में रख दिया. वो कपड़े हैं मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया है, ये सब फेंकने का है. मेरे पीछे जो कपड़े हैं ये सब मुझे अभी फोल्ड करके अंदर रखना है कबर्ड में. तो सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं तो स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाएगा और आपको फिर आलस भी आ जाएगा और आपको करना भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. तो आप ध्यान में रखना है कि ये भी जो हमने आज का टास्क है उसको कंट्रोल जर्नल जो कल हमने सीखा था उसमें लिखना है. मैंने अपने कंट्रोल जर्नल में मॉर्निंग रूटीन और नाइट रूटीन दोनों में लिखा है. मॉर्निंग में भूल गए तो नाइट में कम से कम कर सकते हैं. So that's all for today guys, and if you have not already subscribe to this channel. We will be building up our Indian cleaning routine using the Fly Lady cleaning system, and for that we will be using her 31 baby steps as our core steps as well, because they are suiting us. I mean she has researched and figured out the system. Why do we need to reinvent all the system? We'll just use her system. So that's it for today guys. Have a very loving, energetic, fun-filled day. Blessings to all, each and every one of you. Enjoy your life. Bye bye.